Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Samsung Galaxy A06. You can see this smartphone and let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. I have ordered this in light blue color. It has three variants: black, gold and light blue. You can see the light blue over here, Samsung and A04. At this side you will see Galaxy A06, and at the back you will see some details over there like fingerprint, dual rear camera, 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel of front camera, 5000 mAh of massive battery, 25 volt of fast charging supports. So let's open this first, and when we open this, here you can see there is a smartphone handset, and let's see what inside in the box. And here there is a SIM tool tray that is given in the box, you will see. And here it is some documentation, so we have to just simply see it. And friends, you will see here it is USB. Here it is type C to type C. Lead is given in this box, you will see. And there is no adapter in the box. You have to purchase it from the another site of the Samsung. Here it is the log guide and some documentations. And let's open the smartphone first and pack it first. And it is a fast charging lead, so it's charged the fast. So here we go. Let's open this. And friends, you can see the design of it. You will see here it is the design. The design is very unique. You can see the bulk over here, that is good. And here it is the design, Samsung branding, and its back face is very good, glossy. And it has two cameras, you will see over here. And the buttons, it is the volume rocker button up and down. Here it is the power button, and at the bottom you will see here it is the 3.5 of audio jack, a microphone, a type C charging port, and here it is its speaker. And at this side you will see a SIM tool tray option. At the top you will see a microphone. So let's open this. Friends, you can see I have ordered this in 4GB and 64GB, and its processor is MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core 2 GHz. And talking about its camera, that is 50 megapixel of main camera and 2 megapixel, and front camera is 8 megapixel. And talking about its display size, that is 6.7 inch PLS LCD screen with 5000 mAh of battery life, and it is 4G smartphone. Let's check its camera quality and highest resolution. So you have to first open the camera, and I have taken some picture. I will show you. Friends, you can see this is the front camera picture, that is also very good. And the back camera photo, you can see when you just zoom it, it not get so much of blur. It is good. And let's check its resolution also. First let me check on the settings over here. You can also come in the full screen. Here it is the full screen. And first you have to open video. then click on this, and friends, it has HD option at 30 fps. You can use it. And let's check it video quality in the YouTube. So first you have to simply open YouTube, and here you have to write video quality. Click on search, just write here video 4K. First we have to connect the internet. Here it is. Friends, you can see here it is the video quality. You can see in the full screen mode also. It has a very real screen quality. And let's check its resolution also. First you have to click on quality advanced, and friends, you can watch it in the 1440 pixel at 60 fps. That is good. And let's check its speaker quality also. So first you have to write songs here and play any of the songs like this. And you can see the speaker quality also.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Friends, you can see its speaker quality is also very good. Speakers are good in it. If you like this unboxing video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos also. Thanks for watching.